Okay, so Joe's got a Chevy Silverado 2500 with a truck trolley in it, and it's a little over 6.5 foot on the size of this truck bed. So we're about 6'10", I'm guessing. And so to get a little bit more extension on the trolley, we're going to install a long bed kit and see if that helps them out. So I'm going to walk you through the process real quick. The long bed kit comes with 2 clasps, and it comes with 2 protective covers. So what we want to do first is we want to disconnect the strap from the trolley. Just like so. And what we're going to do next is we're going to take this strap and put the clasp on the strap, and we're going to feed this clasp up the strap about 65 inches. There's going to be some adjustments that need to be made, but roughly about 65 inches up the strap. And then what we're going to do is make that the stop point for the trolley. So it'll stop the trolley from rolling into the truck bed and allow us to extend it fully out to where we want it to extend. Right now it's extending only about 12 inches past. By installing this kit, we're going to try to get another 6 to 8 more inches of extension on the trolley. So to install the clasp, we're going to take the strap and feed it through the bottom, over the top here on the back, and then up through the bottom of the clasp, just like so. Okay. Now when we push this tab down, we can easily slide this down the strap. And from there, we're going to take the cover. This is going to protect the metal on metal. We're going to slide that on the strap and over the clasp to protect both the bracket on the trolley and the clasp. So now we can slide this down, just like so. Bring it down. Again, we want to go about 65 inches down the strap. There may be some configuration that needs to happen, and we'll walk you through that next. Okay, you can stop. So we installed the clasp and the cover on the passenger side, and you just have to repeat it on the driver's side. And once you get that installed, what you want to have happen is you're going to have to adjust that clasp and that cover to reach the desired bracket loop that you're using. Here we're using the back one. And you have that on both sides. You'll position your trolley to be at the end of the truck bed and tighten the straps like the instructions show you to. And you may have to move this just a little bit to get that to engage with the trolley bracket, and just adjust them a little bit if you need to do that. Once your straps are tight, Joe, go ahead and pull that out. And now in this Chevy Silverado 2500, we have that trolley extended 18 to 20 inches past the tailgate, just like recommended in the install instructions.